No zoo would feed their capybaras the refuse from the kitchen, the chopped off stalks of cucumbers, the outer leaves of the red cabbage that they throw away. It's really heartbreaking. And they're given so many things they never eat, which just go bad. For example, there are loads of these yellowy green peppers just lying there, and then they decay and rot and attract the flies and create a smell. It's what the cook chops off and throws away when she's preparing a meal. That's what the capybaras are given here. And that's why the two babies are so thin, because they won't eat that. They need to eat fresh cabbage and fresh pumpkin.